What's going on, guys? SimplyPops here, and today I'm going to be talking about .tube. Now, .tube is a domain name used by many YouTubers out there, including me. Now, as you guys know, tube means video. Tube means video. I hope you guys know that because you're on YouTube. And let's say you have a really long YouTube channel name. Let's say, for example, the greatest YouTuber of all time. Instead of the user typing in youtube.com/greatest YouTuber of all time, they can simplify that URL and have greatestever.tube. Now, I recommend all YouTubers hopping on this .tube bandwagon because it's going to simplify it. It's going to make your business cards look a little bit more neater. It's going to be a little bit more shareable because it's just easier to remember. Having more ways is always better. More options is always good. So it's going to be high traffic, more engagement. People are going to find you a little bit more easier. So I recommend .tube. For real. Hop on this .tube bandwagon. Thanks for watching. Peace. Jeez.